Life is like chess. If you don't see yourself as a winner, then you cannot perform as a winner. Hi Playmates, now let us study how to give a two moves mate in chess. But before that, you need to be in a black pieces so that you can give a two moves mate. So it starts in F diagonal. So for example, uh, F3 or F4 is the same if the white first move. So for example, F4. Then if you are a black, you need to open the E file. That is the first move of the black, and the second move of the white is it needs a two move square in the G4. Then your last and final second move is queen to H4. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, playmates.